That system in place, that system.
Thutha wa ihinda ria ciumia igiri ria guthurima andu ikumi aria maranyotagira giturwa kia mucirithania munene riu muthia kamiti ya guthurima ruhonge rwa magoti JSC ni amurite Martha Koome ta mucirithania munene.
The JSC has unanimously recommended the appointment of Honorable Lady Justice Koome Martha Karabu, Judge of the Court of Appeal, as the Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya.
Muciarirwo wa kaunti ya Meru Martha Koome ari na umenyeru wa kiwira maundu-ini ma watho kwa ihinda ria miaka 33 kamiti ya JSC ikiuga mihango yothe ni ratwarithirio na mbere na njira ya waragania.
The JSC has run an open, transparent and competitive recruitment process that has witnessed the participation of the public and key stakeholders.
Na tondu tamerithitie ndatigaga kuhanda riri rirari rita ria keri Koome kugeria munyaka wake giturwa-ini giki kia mucirithania munene thutha wa igeria ria mbere mwaka-ini wa 2016 kuringa ihiga na wira-ini wake anakuranwo ni mabururi ma ruraya kumana na wirutiri wake kung'ethanira na macira ma ciana.
You had one advocate before you.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
You as a member of that bench, did you for example ask where is counsel for the other party?
John wishes to congratulate Honorable Lady Justice Martha Koome for becoming the first woman Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya.
Umwe wa macira maria Koome agerekeirwo gabiru ni itua riake ria hindi ya githurano kia mwaka wa 2017 na kuria ateanĩire itua ria igoti rinene riria riathanĩte arũgamĩrĩri githurano rungu rwa IEBC mari wabici mugaru na watho undu uria watumire kuri hatĩka-inĩ kuonekaga tamukagira mwerekera kuma kuri mundu muna.
Did ask, but we were told and the council argued the matter is very urgent.
Naona gutuika kamiti ya JSC niregire kurekereria mutaratara uria marahuthirire gukinyaniria ati Koome niwe mwagiriru giturwa-ini giki. Wakiri Makao Mutua ni arikitie guthii igoti-ini akienda maundu maya mothe matemanio muingi-ini.
Select the best candidate and that is the name we have given you. Thank you very much.
Kuma haha kamiti ya JSC igukorwo ikineana ritwa ria Martha Koome kuri mutongoria wa bururi na thutha mutheri President aneane ritwa riri mbunge na kungiga kinya mbunge ni karegana na guthurwo gwa Koome atiri undu ungi indi mihango ino ya gwetha mucirithania munene igacokerwo weru. Angikorwo mbunge ni kahetukia kwamurwo kwa Martha Koome ta mucirithania munene guku bururi-ini hatigakorwo na undu ungi indi ni kwihitithio akehitithio na gutuika mutumia wa mbere kunyitirira giturwa ta giki kia mucirithania munene. Maya magithiaga na mbere kamitino ya JSC ni gacokereria mihango ya guthurima andu kenda aria maikite ihoya gutuika mucirithania wa igoti rutugiru muthe wa mwambiririo kiumia giukite niguo kuihuria ithenya ria Jackton Ojung uria wahurukire wira mwaka muhituku. Acirithania ria igoti rinene ni Anthony Mrima na Wilfrida Okwani nio mararugamitie mihango ino o ndumwe na ya JSC kuneana ritwa ria mwagiriru giturwa-ini kia mucirithania munene undu uria urugamirio umuthe ni igoti ria gucokia cira riko. Kamiti ya JSC irambite gwathwo ni igoti rinene irugamie mihango yothe ya kwanirira mucirithania munene ona gutuika igoti ria gucokia cira riko niriteanĩirie rĩathani rĩrĩ na kuhingura kamweke kuri JSC guthie na mbere na mihango yayo.